Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. If you're new to the channel, make sure you high five that subscribe button and you high five that bell notification so you don't miss any of our upcoming and new activities. So today's fun do-it-yourself PE game is called Ring Catcher. So make sure you stay tuned and don't, I repeat, do not go anywhere. So for this fun do-it-yourself PE game, what you're going to need are some paper plates, pull noodle, or that could be modified with a paper towel roll, also some string. Those are the only three items you're going to need for this activity. Alright, so this is a great game for social distancing as well. As you see, Jordan's about 6 feet away. So what's going to happen is Jordan's going to be the catcher this first round. He's going to have to maintain holding that, hold it up Jordan, nice and flat the whole time I am throwing it. His job is to try to catch my rings in midair. If he can do it, we get 2 points as a team, okay? So 2 points for every time Jordan catches one of the rings with his hand, okay? Another thing, he can get a bonus 3 points if he doesn't drop his paper plate. He keeps it upright the whole time. If it falls down to the floor, he can pick it back up. But again, if he holds it correctly for the duration of my 5 turns, then Jordan's gonna get us a bonus 3 points. All right, Jordan's gonna hold it nice and flat, and I'm gonna try to make it. He's around the pool noodle. All right. Oh, just missed it. Oh, there we go. Scored. All right, here we go. I'm up next. Feet shoulder apart, nice space. You squat down. Again, I'm trying to catch the rings. Oh, just missed. 2. Oh, I almost dropped it. Oh, all right. So 2 points, and I held it the whole time in my hand. 3 extra bonus points. 5 points. We have a total of 10 points for our team for level 1. All right, so now for level 2, what I'm going to do is to change this up. We're going to get some cardio for the catcher. Now, the catcher is going to have 2 X's that are about 3 feet away, and what they're going to do is they're going to do skaters. So while holding their catching mitt, they're going to have to go skaters side to side, back and forth. And while they're doing that, the ring tosser is going to throw it, and again, I'm still going to try to catch it using my mitt. Okay. Start, Jordan. Start moving. Go.
Awesome.
All right, he's going to move, and again, if he holds it, still got to catch it. He's moving. Oh, he's got it. Oh, and I missed the ball, but he was able to hold it. We get 3 points for that turn for round 2. All right, Jordan's up next. Oh, that's 2 points. 4 points. 6 points. Plus I was able to hold it up. 3 extra points. 9 points total. Great job. All right, so for level 3, what you're going to do is now that you have your mitt, it's actually going to turn into a hat. And we're going to add some string on it. And this is going to go right above your head, like so. And then again, with your partner, one person is going to be the catcher, trying to get it to land on top of the ring. And then the other one's going to be the thrower. If you can successfully get it on top of your head, you're going to get 5 points for every attempt. Okay, go. Up. points. All right, I'm up next. All right, nice base.
Ooh.
Oh. Knock it off. All right, put it up.
Oh.
There you go. The bonus 5 points for Jordan. Nice job. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this game of Ring Catcher. Please don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and comment.
And please, again, use our hashtag, the P spot, because we'd like to see how you guys are modifying the games and also how your students are responding to the games. Let us know in the comment section below how you plan on using these games in your lessons. So, again, please don't forget to use our hashtag, the P spot. And as always, at the P spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.